Hey Divi Nation, thank you for joining us in the next installment of our ongoing Divi Design Initiative, where each week we give away a brand new free Divi Layout Pack from our design team to you. This week, Kenny and his team have created a stunning cosmetic shop layout pack with 7 different pages. These pages will provide everything your design will need to get up and running in just a few clicks. Here's how to use it. Now let's start with looking at the different layouts that come along with this cosmetics shop layout pack. So we have 7 different pages. We have a home page, a landing page, a shop page, a sale page, a contact page, a blog page, and an about page. And each one of these layouts contain high quality images which you can use for all kinds of purposes without any restrictions. So this is what the landing page looks like. And over here in the shop page, you can add your own products using the WooCommerce plugin, and they will show up on this page, on this section over here. And on the sale page, you can elaborate the different deals that you're doing on your website and including them in a beautiful way. And you can redirect them to the page where they can grab these discounts. And if you want to upload these layouts, you simply have to go to one page, enable the visual builder. And once you do, click on the following icon, go to the plus icon. And if you scroll down your pre-made layouts, you'll come across the cosmetics shop layout pack, which contains 7 different layouts, and you can view each one of the layouts by clicking on the view live demo button, or you could immediately upload it by clicking on use this layout. Alright, so once it's uploaded, you can make all kinds of modifications to it. You can change the color palette, you can change the background images, you can set up the subscribe form, and just personalize it to your own needs. Now, within the use case live stream that happens tomorrow at 3 p.m. Eastern time, we're going to add products using WooCommerce. And on top of that, we're also going to add wish lists to each one of the products. So each and every visitor will have their own wish list, and all of the products will contain a add to wish list button, which they can use for their own purposes. And if I just go to the wish list page over here, you'll see all of the favorite products over here, which people can just simply add to their cart as well by selecting them and adding them to the cart over here and applying the action. On top of that, we're also going to create a custom product page that looks really good and matches the entire layout pack. So make sure that you tune in tomorrow, 3 p.m. Eastern time on Facebook or on YouTube. Well, that was all for this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, and we hope that you're enjoying this ongoing Divi Design Initiative where we try to put something extra into your design toolbox each and every week. We're sure you don't want to miss a single giveaway, so make sure that you subscribe to our blog newsletter, our YouTube channel, and of course make sure that you like our Facebook page so you'll get a notification every time we have something new for you. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.